it's Sophia, and today I have a very simple thrift-over project for you guys. So about a month ago I went back to my hometown for the weekend, and as usual me and my mom decided to go thrift shopping. I ended up finding this cute light blue sweater from Benetton, as well as this greenish plaid skirt that just so happens to have a light blue accent color to it. Now these instantly brought me Gretchen from the Mean Girls vibes, but just, blue instead of pink. And I just knew that I had to have this combo in my life. However, this skirt doesn't really fit me the way that I would want it to, as it's not high-waisted and it hits just below the knee. So what I want to do is just downsize it a bit and make it a bit shorter so that it hits just above the knee. So that's what we're gonna do today, and let's just get started. Okay, so now that I've laid the skirt down, you can see that it has 2 darts on the front and 2 darts on the back. So what I'm gonna do is just take these back darts in by however much I need to, and that way I'm gonna make new darts here on the back, and also that's gonna make the skirt a bit smaller so that it fits my waist better. And after the darts are all done, I'm gonna move on to the hem of the skirt. But first I need to figure out the darts and how much I need to take in. So I'm gonna need to take the waistband in about 3 centimeters in total. So that means 1.5 centimeters per dart. So I'm just gonna flip the skirt inside out and mark the darts with some sewing pins. So now that the skirt is inside out and back to front, I'm just gonna take this dart that you can see right here, and I'm gonna pinch it and measure 1.5 centimeters, and then I'm just gonna pin that spot so that it tapers down, making like a neat dart. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. Just make sure that the darts are even and symmetrical, and the next step is to just sew along the pins to make the new darts. Now that I've seen that the darts are good and the skirt fits me better, I think I'm gonna just cut the darts open on the inside, finish them off with a zigzag stitch, and then I'm gonna press them down with an iron so that they lay flat, and probably also sew them down with a couple of stitches so that they're less noticeable. So now that the darts are all sorted and the dress fits me on my waist, I'm just gonna figure out how short I want the dress to be, and then I'm gonna pin it down so that I know where I need to cut. So now I'm gonna mark the hem with pins so that I know how short I want the skirt to be, and then I'm gonna leave a couple of centimeters of space and draw a line there where I'm gonna then cut the skirt. Next I think I'm gonna press the skirt, so I'm just gonna flip the edge of the skirt over, pin it in place, and then I'm gonna go over the fold with an iron. So now that I pressed the hem, I can actually take out the pins. And now I have this fold that marks how short my dress is gonna be. And now the next step is to just finish the inside of the hem with a zigzag stitch and then stitch it on with an invisible stitch so that you can't really see it on the top side. So happy with how this skirt turned out, and this will definitely be my favorite outfit for the spring. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, you can click the subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram at Sofiamainen, and now also on TikTok at Sophia, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!
Oh my god, I love your skirt. Where did you get it?
It was my mom's in the 80s.
Vintage. So adorable.
Thanks.
That is the ugliest effing skirt I've ever seen.